Hello, I'm Dr. Andrew Kaufman, and today I'm here to talk to you about three common medical maladies: allergies, asthma, and eczema. This trio of conditions are definitely unpleasant, and we're told by the mainstream medical establishment that they are due to a dysfunction in our immune functioning. Well, fortunately for us, that couldn't be further from the truth, and the remedies that are provided in terms of allergy and asthma pharmaceuticals, we know are only suppress the symptoms and provide no lasting results. So I'm talking about allergies, both seasonal nasal allergies like hay fever, as well as food allergies. Asthma, which results in difficulty breathing and wheezing, usually occurs in spells or fits. And eczema, a common skin condition that it can result in itching and unsightly appearance of areas on your skin. And what these really are they are your body's defense and detox mechanisms. The liver, as you may know, is the detox powerhouse of the body. And all of the toxins and other foreign materials that enter your body are processed by the liver through the blood, and that leads to their safe elimination outside the body. So common plant substances and even foods contain some proteins that are not the best thing to our body, and when they enter our body, we process them, often through the liver, and then eliminate them and take the good parts of the food or other constituents that our body needs and process that in a different way. However, when our liver is compromised through congestion and fatty deposition and clogged up, our body no longer has that mechanism in place, and it takes defensive measures to try and prevent those proteins from plants and food and other things from entering our body at all. And this is why we would cough and sneeze, for example, to get them out of our nasal airway. If we breathe them into our lungs, that can result in the asthma symptoms. And when our body takes them in but can't use the liver to get rid of them, our skin duplicates the detoxification reactions of the liver, and so our body sends them to our skin where they express as eczema. So this is really good news, because this means that if you are able to rehabilitate your liver, you can resolve this trio of maladies. And with my Love Your Liver workshop, I'm going to be teaching the exact information on how you can go through a process to heal your liver and get rid of allergies, asthma, and eczema once and for all. And let me remind you that when you register for my workshop, you'll receive 3 excellent bonus materials: my Love Your Liver protocol, which will give you all the instructions, as well as the Liver Foods fact sheet and the Liver Lovin' Chili recipe. So please join me in this upcoming workshop so you can learn everything you need to give your liver some love.